loves, in today's video I am creating the sparkly black and silver set with some new items I purchased from Amazon. In an effort to save time, I did not include my nail prep in today's tutorial, but I have done it in the past, so check out the description for a link if you're interested in what I did. On my index nail, I am applying a thin layer of the IBD Clear Hard Gel as a base for my glitter, and I am applying it with the Beetles No. 8 gel brush. I am using the Go Create Extra Fine Silver Holographic Glitter, and then curing for 30 seconds. To encapsulate the glitter, I am using the Model 1's base coat and curing for 30 seconds. Now I am building up the structure and strength of the nail using the IBD Hard Gel. Then I'm going to cure this nail for 30 seconds. These decals are part of the 30-sheet butterfly nail sticker set by TOFD on Amazon. This is the Happily 24-box nail glitter set, available on Amazon for $6.99. For the design that I am creating today, I will be using these black and silver stars. I am starting off this nail by again applying a thin layer of gel to act as a base for my glitter. Glass nails are my favorite. I love doing glass nails. My favorite part of creating one is the reveal when I apply the top coat. So as you see here, I'm going to top coat the top of my nail and cure for 30 seconds. I'm also going to apply top coat to the bottom of my nail as well. I am creating a French tip using the Your Sugar Gel in the shade 666 from their Gold Vin Rouge collection. I applied 2 coats. I am applying the Gadgets Intrapot UV LED Gel Glue. I am going over that with the Model 1's No Wipe Top Coat. I am using clear Swarovski crystals that came in a set I purchased on Daily Charm. Then I'm going to cure for 2 minutes. am applying 2 coats of the Your Sugar Black Gel Polish to my thumb and pinky nails. I am going over that with the Beetles Gel Polish in the shade 345. It is from their Hocus Pocus Halloween collection. And I'm curing for 30 seconds. I am applying the Model 1's top coat and curing for 30 seconds. This is my first time doing a mostly black set, and I really like how these nails came out. They are so pretty. I stated earlier that I really like glass nails, and while that is true, my favorite nail in this set has to be the one on my index finger. Those black decals just look so pretty over that silver glitter. Let me know what you think of this set down below in a comment. Also, if you have any ideas for nails that you would like to see me do, tell me that down below in a comment as well. Check out the description for all of the products that I used, and until next time, bye loves!